I think for me it comes from experiences, and my my resume in terms of most fund managers is a very different resume. So I've run my own construction business, and I've got a background in a number of different industries, and that allows me to come at an investment idea from a number of different angles that often someone who's spent their whole life in the financial services industry won't. So thinking differently really is about being able to come at a problem from more ways than the average investor. Well, the most prominent example and the stock that I've probably spoken about most over the history of the fund, and that we've owned ever since the inception of the fund and still own, is our largest holding to this day, is a company called United Overseas Australia. And in terms of thinking differently there, when I first started to go, their AGM is held in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, and so when I first started to go to that AGM, I was the only investor that would turn up. So that gives you an idea of the type of different thinking. So, and I've been to their last 5 or 6 AGMs. That is a foreign domiciled, particularly Asian domiciled companies, a lot of investors get nervous about, and so I was able to look through that the fact that they were operating in Malaysia, which is not necessarily the most politically stable country, and obviously has its issues there, and to actually go and see what these fellows have done on the ground, the Kongs. And in terms of their results, they basically took $3 million from a 1987 listing on the second tier Perth exchange, and they've turned it into more than $1 billion worth of assets over the course of 30 years, whilst returning about $120 million to their investors along the way without taking any further capital. And how that story was not didn't resonate with more investors, I don't know, and I don't know what it is that meant that I was thinking differently, but I came to that stock and it's been a very, very good one for us.